Here is the Haier or Hair air conditioner, $300 some odd on Amazon, advertised as a quiet operating unit. Build quality is not very good. Everything's very hard, brittle plastic. The vanes rattle in place. Not rattling now, but at night they will rattle. There's nothing holding them in place. It's on high. Quiet. The compressor is about as loud as any cheap $100 GE window unit. This is relatively large. My smaller GE unit is several inches shorter on each side, and this thing probably weighs 40 some odd pounds, maybe more. It's a heavy unit. On medium, it's quite loud. High, it's even much louder. And these do begin to vibrate after a while. There's a little resonance that happens at night, so they start sitting in their tray, rattling around all night long, just depending how the compressor kicks it off. A lot of money for not a quiet unit that is only 6,000 BTU.